I want to tell you something that might surprise you coming from someone who runs an ads agency. If your funnel is not converting without ads, ads are not going to fix it. I know I'm supposed to tell you that Facebook ads are the answer to everything, that you just turn on the tap and money flows out. Yeah, that's what a lot of people in my industry want you to believe. But here's the truth. Ads are not a full funnel marketing strategy. Ads are an accelerant. They amplify whatever is already happening in your business. If what's happening is good, a converting offer, a proven funnel, a warm audience, ads will pour petrol on that fire and it'll grow fast. But if what's happening is broken, ads will pour petrol on that too, and you'll burn through cash faster than you thought possible. So if you've ever said the words, I've wasted money on ads, this episode is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make paid traffic actually work for you this time. And here's exactly why this matters in 2026 more than ever. Maybe you've noticed that Meta's ad platform has changed dramatically. The AI targeting today is smarter. Advantage Plus campaigns are maturing. The algorithm is genuinely getting better at finding more buyers than it was even 2 years ago. But the fundamentals haven't changed. The algorithm can find people faster, sure, but it can't fix a broken offer. It can't fix a landing page that doesn't convert. And it can't make someone trust you if they've never heard of you before. So let me walk you through the 4 shifts that separate people who make money from ads and the people who lose it. This is rule number 1, the non-negotiable. And I'm going to keep saying it until every course creator on the planet has it tattooed somewhere visible. Do not spend money on ads until you have proven that your offer converts with a warm audience. What does that mean? It means that people who already know you, your email list, your social followers, the people in your free community, they will buy your thing. If they won't, no stranger from the internet that saw you on an ad where you interrupted them while they were doom scrolling is going to buy from you. They definitely won't. Ads do not create demand. Ads amplify existing demand. That is the single most important distinction between people who profit from ads and people who lose money. So the honest check-in is this. Have you successfully sold your offer at least once, even to a small audience? Do you have testimonials? Do you know what people actually say they want when they buy? If yes, you're ready. If not, that's okay. Learn from it. Run list building ads. Run engagement ads. But follow the right sequence when you want to run launch ads. Sell it first, prove it works, and then use ads to scale what's already working. The second biggest mistake I see, and this is one that makes me sometimes gently want to shake people by the shoulders. You cannot run an ad directly to a sales page for a $500 or a $2,000 course and expect cold strangers to buy it. That's the equivalent of walking to someone you've never met and proposing marriage. It doesn't matter how great you are. They don't know you. You have to build the relationship first. I think of it as like a temperature ladder. I have this video that I call the lasagna, where I explain these layers that you have to build. It's like a lasagna in layers, or like a ladder in steps that you have to climb. Cold audiences need to warm up before they'll buy anything significant. They need to see you first, a video, a reel, a piece of content that makes them think, this person knows what they're talking about. Then they need to engage. Download a freebie, register for a webinar, join our email list. And then, and only then, are they ready for the ask. And here's where this gets really interesting in 2026. Meta's Advantage Plus targeting is getting better and better and better at finding leads for us now. It used to be that you needed to do all the audience targeting yourself, picking interests, building lookalikes, testing dozens of audiences. Nowadays, the algorithm is smart enough to find the right people if you give it the right signals. But, and this is the key, the signals matter. The algorithm needs data to learn from. So when you're starting out, run some engagement campaigns first. Spend $5 or $10 a day getting your best content in front of new people. Let the algorithm learn who engages with your content. Build that warm audience. Then when you run conversion campaigns, the algorithm already knows who to target because it's been learning from those engagement signals. This is the patient strategic approach, and it's the one that actually works. Here's a scenario I see all the time. Someone comes to me and says, my ads aren't working. I look at their ads and their ads are fine. The click-through rate is good, the cost per click is reasonable, the CPM is great, people are clicking, they've got the right audiences, their cost per lead is great. So what's the problem? And then we dig a little deeper, find that the funnel is leaking. Maybe the landing page is converting at like 11% when it should be more closer to 40%. Maybe their webinar show-up rate is like 15% when it should be more like 25 to 35%. Maybe their email sequence is sending 2 emails when it should be sending 10. It's like pouring water into a bucket with holes in the bottom. Doesn't matter how much water you pour in, it's all leaking out anyway. The 3 places where most course creators lose 70% of their leads are A, the landing page, B, the show up rate, and C, the follow-up sequence. That's like stock standard where I start to look at funnels to see if they're leaking. Fix those 3 things and you'll see how your ads will suddenly start working. And I'm doing like the inverted comma thing. The ads were working. The ads just weren't paying off because the funnel wasn't working. The last shift, and this is the one that separates the people who scale from the people who stay stuck, is tracking. Most course creators look at their ads dashboard and they see cost per click, reach, impressions. Those are vanity metrics. They make you feel like something's happening, but they don't tell you if you're making money. There are only 3 numbers you need to care about. Number 1, cost per lead. How much are you paying to get someone onto your email list or registered for a webinar? This tells you if your top of funnel is working. Number 2, cost per acquisition. How much does it cost you to get an actual paying customer? Divide your total ad spend by the number of customers you got. This is the number that matters. Number 3, return on ad spend. For every dollar you put in, how many dollars came out? If you spent $1,000 and you make $3,000, your ROAS is 3. That's a healthy number for most course creator funnels. Everything else is noise. And everything else is just going to distract you or overwhelm you or give you spreadsheet anxiety, which is a real thing, by the way. Track these 3 numbers, review them weekly or when you launch, and then make decisions based on data instead of feeling. Before we wrap up, I want to give you one quick diagnostic you can use right now to figure out whether your ads failed because of the ads or because of something else. Ask yourself these 4 questions. Question 1, did my offer sell without ads? Before when you launched it to your warm audience, did it sell? If no, then the problem isn't the ads. Go back and validate your offer. Question 2, was I sending cold traffic directly to a sales page? If yes, the problem isn't the ads. Build a warm-up sequence, run list building ads and warm up that list before you launch again. And question 3, was my landing page converting above 25%? If no, the problem isn't the ads. Fix the landing page. Question 4, did I give the campaign at least 7 days and 50 conversions before judging it? If no, you don't have enough data to know if the ads worked or not. 9 times out of 10, when someone tells me their ads didn't work, the answer is hiding in one of those 4 questions. It's almost never the ads themselves. It's what the ads were pointing to. Now, here's what I want to leave you with. If you're sitting there thinking, okay, I get it. I need to fix these things, but I don't know how to actually do it. That's exactly why I built Scale with Ads. Scale with Ads is my program for course creators who want to stop guessing and start using a proven system to run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. It walks you through everything we talked about today. Validating your offer, building your warm audience, fixing your funnel, tracking the right metrics, and it gives you the exact framework our agency used to manage nearly 7 million in ad spend for course creators. If you want to learn more, head to thelaunchlounge.com/join. All the details are there. The link is in the show notes and in the description below. If this was useful, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.